Experts say the best time to wake up is during light sleep. That's why sleep cycle does. Through the sound and vibrations of your movement, it creates the patterns of your sleep to wake you up at the moment when you already feel rested. This application has been created by neuroscience experts so that, through algorithms, your body falls asleep much faster. How? Through sounds. The app guides your brain through the different stages of sleep until it finally wakes you up again. Very similar to Sleep Genius, but with an added feature. You can register in the app those factors that disturb your sleep, anxiety, heavy meals, etc. It is also from the creators of REM-Static, one of the most downloaded applications for outdoor sports. To sleep well, it is not only important in the moment in question, but our activity throughout the day. Headspace will help you manage stress and focus on what's really important through meditation packages. That way at night, your head will only think about resting. Instead of taking a lost look at social media, listen to the stories Calm meditation has for you. They will help you fall asleep more deeply and free you faster from the worries of everyday life.